In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a Confluence page. If you're someone who frequently works with Confluence, knowing how to efficiently add links can enhance both your document's functionality and readability. So, let's dive right into it and break it down step by step. Imagine you're at your Confluence homepage, the central hub of all your projects and documentation. From here, you need to first navigate to the specific space where your page resides. Confluence spaces are essentially categories or groups where related pages are organized, so it's crucial to select the correct one. This makes sure that you're working within the right context of your project or documentation needs. Once you've selected the space, it's time to zero in on the page you want to work with. Clicking into the page, you're now set to begin editing. But first, take a moment to review the content. Make sure you know exactly where you want your link to appear, as this will help maintain the flow and clarity of the page. Next, you'll see an Edit button, usually located at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the page in an editing mode, where you'll have access to all the tools needed to modify and enhance your content. Confluence provides a neat toolbar when in editing mode, and this is where you'll be performing most of your actions to make your document more dynamic. Now focus your attention on the toolbar, and this time look for an option labeled Insert Elements. Click this button as it leads you to the tools necessary for enriching your page. In the drop-down menu or pop-up, you'll find a search bar. Type in Link to narrow down your options. You'll notice an option that says Insert a Link. Click on this and a dialog box will pop up, ready to receive the link you wish to embed. At this stage, it's important to ensure you've copied the correct URL that you want to share with your readers. Once you're ready, paste your link into the designated field. After pasting the link, simply click on the Insert button and voila! Your link should now be embedded seamlessly into the page's content. Recheck the link's placement within the text for context and flow, ensuring that it directs exactly where you want it to go. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to a Confluence page. This straightforward process is part of what makes Confluence such a powerful tool for collaboration and documentation. Practice this a few times, and you'll find yourself doing it with ease in no time. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on using Confluence effectively, and happy documenting.